about a speech? What about a speech?
Well, it's breathtaking, literally. It's very, very windy.
It seems like we have a little sandstorm going here, which is, the good thing is it's probably going to cool down from 105 to I don't know where, but right now we got a nice cool wind. Before the wind was just hot. Now you can see me videographing myself. That's actually possible with this camera. We're just about 5 miles to Scottsdale now, so we almost made it back, but we had to stop because the winds are so strong that we were literally afraid that we would be blown off the bikes. And as Peter just said, there is a sandstorm brewing up here too, so it just didn't seem to be too safe to do the video right here. So try to move this guy here around a little bit so you get kind of a better idea what that sandstorm looks like. Say what?
We more or less on top of Scottsdale.
Well, we have 2 more miles to go, and then we cut right and go west into Scottsdale. And then we're pretty much almost there. It's probably another 10 miles or so. I just didn't feel comfortable moving another half mile in the storm because I was leaning left in a 30-degree angle for the last half hour to conquer the wind. So as you can see, here is quite a bit of wind going on, and it's getting stronger again, and not calming down when I was about to say, let's try and keep going.
You're the physicist, and correct me if I'm wrong. Doesn't the wind resistance get, the wind buffing gets worse the faster you go?
What's that? The wind?
At the faster you go,
Yeah.
does the wind, is there more of a...
Dude, don't the forces get stronger? I don't know, but it's likely. That's why I slowed down.